Someone asks you a simple question in English. You understand every word, but when you open your mouth to answer, nothing comes out. It is incredibly frustrating. You have studied English for years. You read well, you watch videos without subtitles, but you still cannot speak confidently. Right at the exact moment you need to reply, your mind goes blank. You physically freeze. If this sounds like you, take a deep breath. You are not stupid. This is not a personal failure. This is actually a mechanical glitch in how your brain processes a new language. Knowing the rules of English does not matter if you cannot get the words out of your mouth. Today, we are going to look at exactly why you are stuck, and I will show you how to fix this glitch for good. This flowchart illustrates the translation bottleneck. Your brain hears English. The signal drops down to translate natively, builds an answer, and translates it back, forcing data through a narrow space. Then, a strict grammar filter drops in. The system overloads, sparks, and stops. That mental system crash is exactly what you feel. It is why your heart beats faster and why your mind suddenly feels totally empty. As long as you force your words through this multi-step filter, speaking naturally in real time is physically impossible. You built this bottleneck because of how you were taught. Traditional schools punish mistakes. They make you believe that perfect grammar is the most important part of English. Look at this split-screen comparison. On the left is a grammatically perfect sentence. It takes too long to build. On the right is a slightly broken sentence, but it instantly appears. When you are talking to someone, speed is always better than accuracy. When you only watch videos or read books, you learn passively. You keep training your brain to look for perfection, but you never actually use your physical voice. Your speaking muscles stay weak. In the real world, nobody cares if you use the wrong verb tense. People just want to understand you. Good communication relies on keeping the conversation moving forward, not passing an invisible grammar test. If you want to break the translation bottleneck, you have to let go of the idea of being perfect. That is the required first step. You need to change how you see language. English is not a math equation to solve. It is a physical action. You have to train your jaw and throat muscles to make these new sounds. To skip the translation step in your brain, you must force yourself to think directly in English. The easiest way to do this is to use very short, simple sentences. You must practice speaking out loud, and you should do it completely alone. When you are alone in a room, there is no social pressure. There is no fear of someone judging your mistakes. You should also use your phone to record your own voice. It feels intimidating at first, but listening to yourself helps you confront the fear of sounding wrong, and it builds real vocal confidence. These messy, physical actions bypass the bottleneck entirely. You stop translating. Instead, you build a direct connection between your thoughts and your actual voice. To help you start, I want to show you the 15-minute habit. This is a low-stress, specific daily routine designed to rewire your brain for speaking. This chart breaks down the routine. The biggest piece is a massive 10-minute block for active speaking. You spend 10 uninterrupted minutes talking out loud to an empty room without reading from a script. The remaining 5 minutes are for active listening. You listen to a simple English audio clip and you immediately repeat the sentences out loud to build physical muscle memory. During these 15 minutes, you will make mistakes. That is normal. Making mistakes is physically required for your brain to adapt and progress. You can start this messy, imperfect habit today. Close your grammar books, put away the flashcards. Remember, speaking is a physical skill. Confidence only grows when you practice. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and follow for more tips on your English journey. Now it is time for you to start talking.